Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Upstart app to monitor credit-based offers. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Upstart app download. Press enter to initiate the search. Locate the official Upstart website link from the search results. Click on the link to access the Upstart homepage. Once on the homepage, look for the option labeled Download App. This option is usually found at the top of the page. Click on the Download App button. You will be directed to the App Store section suitable for your device. If you are using an Android device, you will be taken to the Google Play Store. If you are using an iOS device, you will be redirected to the Apple App Store. Once in the App Store, find the Download button. Tap the Download button to begin the installation process. Wait for the app to download and install. Once the installation is complete, open the Upstart app. You may see a welcome screen when you first launch the app. Follow any on-screen prompts to create an account or log in. Provide the necessary information as requested, including your financial details. Once logged in, navigate to the credit-based offers section. Review the offers available to you based on your credit profile. Select any offers you wish to explore further. Follow the instructions provided to apply for any selected offers. Make sure to keep your information secure and review application. When finished, you can log out or close the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.